Hi. So I redid my intro like 50 times because,
It's only my third day out here. I don't know.
I get awkward, I get monotone, But, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna stay persistent. But yeah, made these Apple Music inspired artwork frame things. Whatever they're called. Super easy. I did album covers as well as a personal picture, so you'll be able to see that if you continue watching. Super easy, super simple. If you can color in the lines, you can do this, I promise you. You just need permanent markers and some frames and an idea of what you want to do. So continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every single Tuesday whenever I post a video. And shout out to my friends and family as well for helping me reach 100 subscribers. I know it's a small number, but that means a lot to me that y'all would support me. Again, videos every single Tuesday, so please keep watching. Bye.
Excuse the sound of my voice, I just woke up not too long ago. But yes, hit up your local Dollar Tree, like I said a little bit intro, and you want to pick up frames from wherever they are cheapest because even other places have them for like triple the price. I use permanent paint markers from Artskills. You can use any type of permanent marker. You can even use a Cricut machine, whatever you have really. So you just pop open the back of your frame, take the glass out, and please, 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 please be careful because it is sharp. I took a screenshot of Apple Music off of my phone, sent it to my MacBook, and I put it in Pages, fit it to the size of a sheet of paper because my frames are basically the size of regular printer paper. And you want to just print that out. You can print it out in black and white. You can print it out in whatever. I just happen to be out of black and white ink, which was really weird. So basically, once you have it printed out, you're good to go. So I taped my page that I'm tracing down, and here you can see that I'm just testing out which markers look better or what style I kind of want, and crossing my fingers that I don't mess up. And you basically just trace, and the tape actually helped the paper stay in place, so it's a little bit easier. So I'm actually going to stop talking for a little bit. I don't know if I'm going to do any more because majority of this is just tracing. So like I said, if you can color the lines, you're good.
Layered music.
So I lied, I'm back. But this is the picture that I did of my parents and one of their songs. And I just traced it basically off of my computer. Be very careful with that. I know it's kind of dumb. And you can see a little bit better how I'm taping it down, putting glass on top. Lining it up, make sure it's good. And then you're just going to color. And you can kind of do whatever you want to do. The perk of doing this is that I could even change up the colors if I would like to. But I decided to keep it however I wanted. And you could add different characteristics, like I added a Mountain Dew can because my dad was obsessed with Mountain Dew. over there in the corner because when I traced the actual picture it was kind of cut off.
Layered music, music, music. Layered music, music, music.
And my bad for here, I lost a lot of footage because I have it on the wrong side and I'm left-handed, so can't really see a lot of what I actually drew, so I took all this extra footage for nothing. So you know, I'll do better next time.
Layered